Welcome back to Smoke and Grill with Will. Today we're making arroz con pollo y queso, or cheesy chicken and rice. You'll start by chopping up 1.5 pounds of chicken into bite-sized pieces. Ingredients and instructions are in the description below. Next, we'll get our cheese sauce ready. In a blender, you'll combine 2 jars of queso Blanco Velveeta, 1 can of Rotel, and 1/2 cup of milk and blend together. Next, add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and 2 cups of rice to a pan and mix together. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Mix together and cook until your rice is lightly browned. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. One teaspoon of onion powder and mix together. One 6-ounce can of tomato sauce. Two cups of water. Two cups of chicken stock mixed together, and then cover, simmer for 20 minutes. In the bowl with your chicken, add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 packet of chicken taco mix by Kinder, 1/2 tablespoon of ranch seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, mix together. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil with your chicken. Cook until 165 degrees internal. Add your cheese sauce to a pot and heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Uncover your rice and fluff with a fork. Plate your rice and chicken and cover with cheese sauce. For more videos like this, check out the other videos on my channel. Please like and subscribe.